Sir, my letter of recommendation, sir, it's due 3 months ago now.
I decide when you leave and when you stay. Claire, to jest Juliana. Shoulder up! I'd like to call on our little Nightingale.
Why won't you let her go?
She's my property, so I'll do what I want with her. I'll fucking kill you!
That girl you raped, whose husband and baby you murdered, that girl died. But you can't kill what's already dead.
If I saw them white ones, the ones that killed my family, I would have done what you did.
I wish my love was a butterfly.
I'll help you get that man.
Light on my